In a major move prioritizing worker safety over speed, the central government has asked quick commerce platform Blinkit to drop its controversial 10-minute delivery model. The decision comes after concerns were raised about rider safety, work pressure, and the risk associated with ultra-fast deliveries. The Labour Ministry stepped in following reports that delivery workers were being pushed to meet unrealistic timelines, increasing the chances of accidents and unsafe working conditions. Sources say Blinkit has now revised its delivery window from 10 minutes to 30 minutes for most products, signaling a major shift in India's quick commerce sector. Other platforms like Zepto and Swiggy, which also operate on fast delivery models, are expected to come under similar scrutiny. Worker unions have repeatedly warned that algorithm-driven targets create extreme pressure on delivery partners, often forcing them to risk their lives on the road. With this intervention, the government has sent out a clear message: speed cannot come at the cost of human lives.